What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download a lot of good music fast. This is NTS Radio. Every day they post like 10, 15 new curated playlists by DJs you probably know, musicians you probably know. Yeah, and one thing I really like is they have this section called NTS Guide 2. You can do different genres, anything you can think of. I mean, I'm a piano, ragas, cloud rap, emo rap, Afghani music, Italo pop. They also have a section I love called In Focus, where they'll pick one artist and dive deep, like into their deep cuts. So here you see we got a lot of notable artists. We got Van Morrison, Clips, DJ Rashad. So what you can do is you can actually download this entire playlist using Python. Alright, so I'm going to download this Young Thug playlist right now. It's got a lot of his hits and a lot of his deep cuts. NTS itself doesn't allow you to download these, but a nice programmer named Everdrone posted this script on GitHub that allows you to download from NTS. But for the beginner, this might be a little difficult. Like, how do I use this? So, okay. In order to do the installation and the usage, you need Python. So go ahead and go to python.org, downloads. Yeah, get the latest version. Pick the one that's right for you. I went with Mac OS X. I already installed it earlier, so go ahead and do that. As soon as it's done, shouldn't take long, open up your terminal. Yeah, and I recommend maybe restarting your computer before doing this, just to make sure everything's nice and settled within your machine. Alright, go ahead and go to the terminal, and you're gonna type pip install nts-everdrone. Oh, I had a typo. I said ever done. It's pip install nts-everdrone. Alright. I misspelled install. Pip install nts-everdrone. If it's successful, it should look like that. Now all you gotta do is go to the playlist you want from NTS, copy it, go back to your terminal, then type NTS space, then paste the link. That's all. Then hit enter. Once that's done, it's gonna save to your download folder. As simple as that, y'all. And as you can see, it's right there. Now we got all that thugga baby. And what I like to do is, for long road trips where I don't want to be fumbling around with my phone too much, I'll go ahead and just get a couple of these mixes. You can really kill like a 3-4 hour drive. You just get a couple of these. So I'll just show y'all like what I'm talking about. They got like a lot of stuff on here. Ragas, some Indian music. You can just go ahead and download that. So you got something chill in your playlist. I'm a piano for that, Afro beat kind of feeling. Literally, you can get so specific with little subgenres, and they probably have something. They got the NTS Guide to Shoegaze, 2K24, all the newest shoegaze. So just to show y'all again, to download this, I just copy it, go into my terminal, NTS, paste the link, and I should see it in my downloads folder now. So I hope y'all can download some good music, enjoy. As always, support artists the best you can, but this is a good way to get a lot of music fast. Enjoy, guys.